I'm gonna show you how to plot a route in Savvy Navi. So to get started, you have to open your application, and once it's open, you just have to click route located at the bottom. So it says that you have to click on your starting position, so I'm gonna choose here, and then I'm gonna set the point B here. You have a choice to click another position, so just have to press this one, or you can just delete it by clicking more. After I click more, I'm gonna show you to delete waypoint, or you can just add again to desired position. So I'm gonna add another point right there. After that, you just have to click plot route, and then after the system is done calculating your route, it will just automatically plot your position. So once it's done, you can just preview or start your route. So that's how you plot a route in Savvy Navi.